That bitch sound good. What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, we on the way to my dog's crib. His exhaust or some shit had broke on it, so I'm finna go over there and weld it for him, fix it. But my dog, he had brought a whole new part that he didn't even need. So, and they sent him the wrong part. So they sent him the wrong part. So I'm finna go over there and weld the old part back together. What he should have did the first time. That's all he needed to do was get somebody to weld it. But I'm finna go over there and weld it and get y'all a little vlog or whatever today. Take y'all along with me. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We on the road to 1K subscribers. We're almost there. I see y'all, man, the subscribers going up, man. Going up real fast. So y'all keep doing that, man. I appreciate y'all boys for real. Ah, damn. What a badass rig. Shit. It's the old part my dog signed ordered the wrong part. I mean, he ordered the right part. They just brought the wrong part.
So what we looking for? This is a fast thing over here.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, this is a fast thing over here.
Come on, man.
Oh, yeah.
That's that bitch right here, too. You heard me?
Yeah,
This motherfucker. Yeah, let me hear it. Don't rev it, son. I know that bitch loud, son. Go get this bitch right. Get my dog back on the road. Got the welding shield and everything, gloves. Gonna weld that little part for him. Well, this a RT. He said that bitch full both of them. That be like a scat and everything on the inside. This like you. That bitch sound good. Man, that bitch sounds so good, son. My nigga, you look good having out that bitch, man. Get rid of the marrow, bro. Yeah, they got headers and everything on that bitch. What's this? That must be for the lights or something. I thought it was something for the intake. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, that's the harness for the light.
Yeah, for the light. I ain't gonna lie, this
Man, get you a charger scat, son. I like how deep this the rims is. Like my shit like this, the front and back. You see how deep them bitches is?
shit,
Them bitches deep. I'm gonna set this up. You gonna put it up here? To a grinder right here. Oh yeah, right, this bitch.
I was trying to find a bigger wire brush. This is the only wire brush I got for you. This bit kind of small.
I'm gonna just hit a jigger with that bitch. This on?
I ain't turned it on yet. Oh shit, this shit gonna blind the fuck out of me.
Yeah, look in the camera. I like, you always switch my hood from my scooter.
Yep. You put your head down before you pass out. How you turn the goddamn thing on?
Yeah, girl. Oh, there you go. Now the time to weld that motherfucker.
Oh shit!
That's some little text.
Little tax, you know, keep that motherfucker in place.
You gotta do it like that because the temperature hot and I don't want to burn through.
That boy real well out too.
Drinking the leader in my kidney. Woke up this Sunday morning, I'm repenting. Lost in my thoughts, the devil did.
You strong enough?
Granny, she's stressing, man. Told her won't let the hoppers get me. Say that good, I never had. Got a good bitch, but I fuck around. I keep on go to bed. Oh, she got my heart, they broke it through it in the trash. But I promise you, they looking at they wish they never had. Them hoes bullying and they mad. You pussy niggas, they can't fuck with me. I'm so tired of love, I'm sick of love, can't get enough of me. You can't trick on me, can't get the money, but you can eat the meat. My bitch like petite, but she be walking around with pretty drinking and leaning in my kidney. Woke up this Sunday morning, I'm repenting. Lost in my thoughts, the devil dancing with me. Granny, she stressing, man, told her won't let the hoppers get me. Karma struck to the bone, so when I move it, I can feel it. I've been sitting up.
Little MIG welding. Lee.
That bitch don't look pretty, but that bitch in
That bitch gonna stay.
Nah, they gonna want you to buy the whole car. So we could have did that with yeah, we could have did that with Plan Car. Siren not stop. Look. Siren not stop. Look. Siren got a whole intake out there. He ain't stuck, bro. B on that road, y'all. Y'all see B. Yeah, 18-wheeler driver right there, you hear me? Yeah, girl. This dude's stupid. Huh? That thing in there, B.
you can put the nuts up on that bit.
Mm-hmm. Where the nuts at? On top of the car?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I see him. Push this side a little bit more. Yeah, that right there. All right. You get 212, son. This bitch finna be beating up the block now. What a part there for that? That little bit was hard right there. You need something. Man. And still no dick on it. Yeah.
Put the money in the bag.
Put it in!
Put it in! Now!
Got stuck on it.
I'm trying to see. Oh no, the boat ain't come out the bottom.
It still sound the same? It wasn't sounding like this?
Oh, that's why. Everything gonna be on. I ain't got my O2 sensor plugged up.
You just trying to put it up somewhere?
Put the clip back there. We work on our own cars around here.
Yeah.
Do none of that.
Do our own shit.
I need a zip tie.
What you got a zip tie to the sensor? Right here?
It just be hanging and you can hear it when it moves. With some crucial ass head, yeah, that's me.
You putting this back on?
Yeah.
You tie that motherfucker. Cut the excess. Look now. Something right here. That's why. Let's see. Look, come on this side. That's what I hear. I knew I was
I
tripping.
hear something jumping up and down.
Look, the pipe not on. See that water right there?
Oh shit.
The fucking water right there.
Let me do that one.
Yeah, you gotta tighten that one up. I knew I heard something wasn't right. Finally done with this Hellcat. Hellkeys and slash Camaro Z1 SS 1LE.
Yeah, Sasha. Hey, Sasha.
That's the dog named Sasha? Yeah. Nigga done woke Sasha up, man.
A big ass fucking K9.
For real? That bitch can stay where he at. Start that thing up, bro. See if we can hear the same note. You don't hear all that extra shit no more. There you go. That bitch sounds so...
We gotta move the van in the back here.
You gotta move the van back here?
No, the van standing in the front.
You just gotta move the van?
Oh, I gotta wait till he get back.
We did the job. Got his car running right. That's how you do it right there, man. You work on your own shit, man. Y'all boys make sure, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe button, boy. Hey, check them tips out. I spray painted them earlier today. They was fading. I just did my little touch to her, little spray paint. So I'm tripping, like right there, it started to turn pink, like a two-tone white. I wiped that bit down earlier this morning. That's why it looks so clean. But look, man, we out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe button. And that's it, man.